all know a beautiful smile can give you a little boost of confidence.
Yep, so Megan is taking us to the Dental Associates of Connecticut.
Yeah, so I think this is going to surprise you guys because in the U.S., more than 36 million people are missing their teeth and 120 million are missing at least one tooth. But now there's a new way to get a permanent smile. Dental Associates of Connecticut has been caring for patients since 1971.
We were a comprehensive dental practice where we have specialists and we have general dentists, and the beauty of it is we're all able to work together. There really isn't anything that we don't treat.
One of the advanced procedures they perform is the All-on-4.
We can give the patients their smile back, their ability to bite, like they used to do before.
Previously, when patients were missing teeth, they would rely on dentures.
Denture comes in and out. It affects your taste. It's something that patients are always aware of. They're conscious of it. It's almost like you're dentally handicapped.
But the All-on-4 offers a permanent solution.
We first analyze what is happening in their mouth. We're able to then take some diagnostic x-rays. But at this point, what's really made the biggest difference is that we're able to take a CT scan, a cone beam, which shows us a three-dimensional picture of the patient's mouth and their skull.
The 3D scan details exactly where important structures, like nerves and bones, are located. It helps the team of dentists who work together on the All-on-4 map out the procedure.
We'll sit together, look at the computer, and there's no surprises.
And in situations like the All-on-4, not only am I myself working on a patient, but we have a periodontist, we have an oral surgeon. We all work together on the patient on the same day.
The procedure takes just hours to perform. Once the implants are placed in the bone, a fixed full-arch prosthetic is secured.
All of this is done right here. Patients don't have to go from one office to another office. It's all done together, all done in the same day. As a general dentist, I love it because I can do a much better job.
The result is a smile that can light up a room.
The reaction of the patients, it's really what drives us. Many times we see like tears, they really didn't know that they could have their teeth back.
Serious results there, huh?
And it's quicker now.
It is. It used to take 6 months. Now it takes just 1 month. And because of that, it costs less. So can't go wrong.
Right.
Beautiful smiles. You need that.
Yeah, we'll have to check them out online. Dentalassociates.us. Some crazy before and afters there.